Scott, welcome to Pocket Pliers. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of this flashlight. Unboxing isn't normally my thing, but this is a pretty pricey flashlight. Picked it up for like 50 bucks at Napa today. And you pay that much for a pencil-sized flashlight. Yeah, I think it's worth maybe doing a video on. So let's open it up and see what comes with the box. See if anything cool shows up. Ooh, it is a very nice box. Silica gel. I wonder why they put 2 in here. Throw away, do not eat. Tasty. Nice little piece of paper with it. Pin here, nice little button on the back. Got any juice on it? No. Maybe that's why the battery's out of it. See how many milliamps this is, if it even says. There's our part number. Oh. It is 300 milliamps. It says it's got 3 hours of runtime on it. I guess when you break it up, because how often do you actually leave this light on? Not that often. I mean, it'd be intermittently. See, how do we get this open? Let's get in the box. Finish opening the box first. Styrofoam little square here is glued to that. It's a pretty nice box. Charging cable. It is proprietary. Apparently you hook it up to the front here to charge it. Pretty simple. Look at that. 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet. Output is 5 amps. Pretty normal. And we got a wall charger. Also at, you guys can see that, 5 volts, 1 amp. Pretty normal. More of the silica. Why? Why do I need 4 of these? There's our owner's manual. Nothing on that side, just front and back. Yeah, I'll read these if I can't figure it out. Let's see how we get in this thing. Yep, there we go. Looks like we got some prongies here, and looks like they will be accepted into that part. I don't know, well, you can see that. Well, my lighting isn't so good. There we go. Now you can see it. Let's hook this up first so I don't bend these prongs up. Ta-da! Now let's insert it into the case. And magically we are on. Pretty bright. I got the LED light on my camera here, and it is just dwarfing the amount of light that it puts out. That's the sun providing natural light from this window here that you can't see, and it's just annihilating that. I don't know what the milliamps are. All in all, that's pretty nice. This right here is printed on there. It's not really etched in. Maybe it is, but it's not going to come off, I don't think. I'm quite pleased with that. Exactly what I needed. Is it worth 50 bucks? Probably not, but it's pretty nice. Nice machined aluminum. Definitely happy with it. It's a thumbs up for me. Alright, I got it hooked up on the charger here. It glows green, I guess, when it's fully charged, and it came fully charged. When I first hooked it up, yeah, see, it glows red to let me know it's charging. Go green. Well, it snapped green whenever it was fully charged, I guess. Maybe it wasn't fully charged, I just thought it was. But that's pretty nice. Come with all this stuff, I can't complain. I'll leave the link below to Napa, where I purchased it from, for an obscene price. And I'm not throwing this away. You can't tell me what to do. If you want to pick you up one, that's where I got mine. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon. I'm sure the prices will vary. I don't know. That's just happened to be where I was, and I thought it was absurd, but a nice price. There we go. Now it's green. All in all, I recommend this. I hope I get many years out of it. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, ring the bell, or don't. The notification thing, I don't get that. I hate notifications, so I don't ever hit the bell. But thanks for watching.